Hey guys, my name is Armin Saed, and today I'm gonna show you how to perform a simple analysis of variance or ANOVA in Excel. Okay, first you have to activate the data analysis toolbar. Okay, let's do it quickly. You have to go to File tab, then Option, and the option go to Add-ins, hit on the go and tick this analysis toolbar. Then click on OK. After that, in the Data tab, the Data Analysis toolbar will be activated for you. So let's take a look at the data I have here. Okay. Uh, Here I have four groups. I'm going to compare them together. Each group contains 9 observation or 9 repetition. All right. So my four group is control, SA, abscisic acid, and amino acid. This is the data that I actually measured, I recorded for each group in each repeat or each observation. So as you can see, I prepared the data column-wise. Means that each group is placed in one column. Okay, so let's analysis the data. Click on the data analysis toolbar, then select the ANOVA single factor. Simple ANOVA, we can call it actually one-way ANOVA analysis of variance, or sometimes completely randomized design. The name is not important. What is important is how to do it. All right. Here in this window, in the input range, I select the data. Okay, we can select a name for each group at will. So it is important that you just select the data so that the name of each group is at the top of the data. Do not select the repetition or number of observation, just the data and the name of each group or each actually column. So I select the data. Next, I hit the column wise, grouped by column. Means that each group, my group actually are column wise, or each group is placed in one separate column. If you placed the groups row wise, or you place each group in a row, you should hit the row, grouped by row. So I prepare the data actually column wise, so I select the columns. Okay, label in the first row. Yes, when I selected the data, my first row was the name for each group. So I actually take this option. So output option is simple. I just want to see the result in a new worksheet. Okay, hit the OK, and then you can see the results. Summary is for each group. I have four group control, SA, abscisic acid, and amino acid, each of which has 9 repetition, 9 observation. So the sum of all observation, this is the average of all observation, actually the sum divided by the number of observation. After that, we have variance for each group. So the main result for ANOVA is in this table. So source of variation between group and within group. This within group, we can name it as error of the test. Between group means that the comparison between actually all of these four group. Okay, we have SS sum of squares for each of the source of variation. We have degree of freedom. Since we have four groups, so 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So the degree of freedom for between group would be 3. Mean squares for each of the source of variation. And after that, the F value. F value is actually uh, the mean square of the between data over or divided by the within mean square. So we have F value, and each F value has a P value. So as you can see, our P value is 0.0007. So our P value is actually less than 0.01. Okay, sorry. If the p-value is actually greater than 0.05, we can say that there is no difference between the groups. If the p-value is actually between the 0.05 and 0.01, we can say that the difference between groups is significant at 5% level. If the p-value, like what we have here, if the p-value is less than 0.01, we can simply say that the difference between the groups is significant, or is significant at 1% level, or just you can say that is very significant. The difference between the groups is very significant. All right, guys, thank you for watching my videos, and be ready for my other videos soon.